Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. I'll demonstrate two methods to make this process simple and straightforward. And now let's get started. For the first method, start by right-clicking on your Start menu and selecting Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on System from the left-hand menu. On the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the Recovery option and click on it. Under Recovery, you'll find an option called Go Back. Click on this. Select any reason. I usually choose the last option, and then click Next. Afterward, you'll be prompted to choose between Check for Updates or No Thanks. Select No Thanks. Keep clicking Next through the subsequent screens, and finally, click on Go Back to Windows 10. This process will take some time to complete as it updates and reinstalls Windows 10. If this method doesn't work for you, the second method involves using the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. Open your browser and search for Windows 10 Media Creation tool. Click on the first link and download the tool. Once downloaded, open the tool and run it. Click Yes, then Accept. And choose the option to upgrade this PC. Click Next, and the tool will begin processing. After some time, you'll be prompted to accept terms again. Choose the option to keep nothing, which will delete all apps, settings, and files on your C drive. Make sure to back up your data before proceeding. Click Next, and the tool will guide you through the rest of the downgrade process. I hope this tutorial helps you successfully downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with others. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.